Hi, I'm Jake. Okay, so today we're gonna make this really cute and easy Snom plush. It's very simple, and I came up with it myself. So you won't need a lot of materials for this, but I'll go ahead and show you those. And of course, I'll leave substitutes in the description. So all you'll need for this is a needle, white thread, blue thread, one white fluffy sock for the body, light blue felt for the back, liquid stitch, white felt, and of course, black felt for the eyes. Okay, let's get into this. Also, I forgot to mention you need scissors and polyfill. Okay, bye. So to start, we're gonna turn the sock inside out to make sure we get the best possible body for the Snom plush. Then I'm going to take a black marker and mark out the head for the Snom. Then I'm going to take white thread and back stitch along the black line to make sure we have a strong hold for our Snom. Make sure to leave a gap in the middle to turn it inside out. I'll leave a video in the description on how to do this. Turn it inside out and stuff firmly, making sure to stuff the bulges first and then the body. Move around the stuffing to make sure it looks right, and then ladder stitch the gap that we left to close it off. Cut out a piece of fabric so that it wraps around the Snom's body and fit it around so that it'll close down when you eventually do a running stitch. To save time, I'm going to close it with a seam from my sewing machine, but you do not have to do this and can totally do it by hand. Next, take your newly sewn fabric and flip it inside out and fit it snugly onto the Snom's body. Fiddle around with it for a while until you like the placement. Next, you're going to take some blue or white thread and use a running stitch along the back end of the fabric to pull all the fabric together. Then, use a few stitches to close the running stitch off. Tie a knot, and you're done with the body for now. Use a ladder stitch to secure the felt to the fluffy sock, and make sure to go all the way around. You can use blue or white thread for this. Now, we are going to make Snom's back spikes with the same felt we used for the body. There's no clear-cut way to make Snom's back spikes. The best advice I can give you is cut two and see how they look. If they look right, continue to use the first one you made as a mold to make the other ones look right. Here I go, cutting out the 5 remaining spikes. This means that there will be 12 spike halves in total and 6 total spikes. I'm going to use my sewing machine again to sew the back spikes, but once again, you don't have to, and you can totally hand sew these. They're really easy. They might just take a while. So I've gone ahead and stuffed the spikes, and now I'm going to show you how to attach them onto the body. Start by getting your needle and thread and attaching the big knot so that faces the inside of the spike. Then, using a ladder stitch, sew all across the spike and onto the back. Continue doing this till you have all 6 spikes sewn onto your Snom. I decided I only wanted to show you guys the first spike and the last spike being attached because those are the two most important ones. When attaching the last spike, make sure to cross over all of the messy seam on the back to cover it. I decided to put this part of my video on a 2x speed because it took me 20 minutes in total to do the spikes. Now I have cut out 4 white circles for the feet and 2 black circles for the eyes, and I'm going to glue them on using my liquid stitch. So everything was going fine until... yeah, my entire recording setup just fell on me, which consists of 3 different boxes. So it took me a bit to realize that it fell and that I needed to pick my camera up. So I eventually did pick it up. Just kind of took a while, so sorry about that. And now you get to see my filming setup and me fumbling around like an idiot trying to figure out what just happened. And now you get to see the real reason why I didn't show myself cutting out the eyes and the feet. I used the black felt to hide the boxes. I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod yet, okay? After putting the glue on the felt and the felt on the plush, make sure to press down firmly to ensure that the glue sticks to the plush. And there it is, the beautiful Snom plushies. Now, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!